Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about Emailtivity. Now if you do email marketing or you're looking to start email marketing, this is going to be a really good product for you. This is over 20 very comprehensive checklists that go through all aspects of email marketing. So I'm going to take you straight into the product. I'll talk to you about what these various checklists are and the various subjects that they actually cover. And then I'll talk to you about the pricing and also introduce a bonus that I've got if you decide to pick up Emailtivity today. Hey guys, I'll just jump straight over to the product here. So if you're currently email marketing or you're looking to start building a list, this is going to be a product that really helps you. Now, email marketing is still one of the most efficient ways to connect with any of your audiences. People read emails on a regular basis. They're on your phones, you get notifications, and it's still a very good way to market. But these days you're up against a lot of other competition. So Emailtivity is broken into various chapters that are going to help you really build effective lists and also send very high quality emails. So I'm going to take you straight into the chapters. I'm going to explain to you what kind of checklist these actually are. So I jumped over to the content overview. Now you can see here there's over 20 different chapters with all of these various checklists in there, and they're things like email marketing, call to action, pre-sell, how to do lead capture checklists, how to do list segmentation, very different types of topics. Now I will actually leave a full list of these topics in the description below, where you'll also find the link to this particular product. So if you want to check it out, go ahead and go straight down and there'll be a link there over to Emailtivity. Now again, each one of these chapters is very comprehensive, and it's kind of more of a blueprint than a checklist because it gives you lots of different information and lots of suggestions that will help you build your perfect emails. So let's just take the email marketing checklist for example. This is split into 4 main steps around defining your goals of the actual email, what kind of primary and secondary goals you're going to have. Then you have how to craft your content and advice around crafting your content. And you'll see that the way this actually works is that you have some forewords, but then you have a series of questions. Now that's very useful because it allows you to think about the types of things that you need to be putting into the email before you go ahead and write it. Now you have things like, did you brainstorm at least a dozen or more possible subject lines under this one? Does your subject line include a benefit? Does your subject line arouse curiosity? Those types of things you can figure out once you write your subject line. Come back to this and then try and see if it fits this criteria. So they're all very similar to this, each one of these various topics, in that it'll give you lots and lots of suggestions that you can use to go ahead and build your campaigns with. So as I said, this is over 20 different chapters, lots and lots of different topics here, and really every aspect of email marketing is covered, and this is something that I actually use every day when I'm putting my own campaigns together, just to check that I haven't forgotten anything. So I jumped over to the sales page again. Now again, there's a really good example of one of the checklists on the sales page. If you go ahead and check it out below, you'll see this example here, and this will take you through the actual call to action checklist. Now the reason I think this is so powerful, guys, is if you've got a list and maybe it's not as responsive as you'd like, or you want to improve the way you're communicating, all the information is in this document. Now if you're brand new and you're trying to build a list, this is a great way to get in good habits to go ahead and communicate with people on a regular basis in the right way from the very start. So again, it's very useful to you. And it doesn't matter what kind of niche you're in, we all use email to communicate. So this product is good for any kind of niche online. Again, as I mentioned, there's 100 pages of no fluff, completely profitable email marketing strategies. It'll teach you all types of aspects of it. You can go through each one of these and it'll give you a little bit more detail about what's in each of the checklists. And again, they point out the 3 main advantages here. Number 1 being you avoid all the pitfalls and mistakes that plague most list builders. You grow your list, you increase responses, and you maximize your profits, and you make list building faster and easier than ever before. So a lot of other good advantages here for having these checklists. So there's 2 types of license you can get on this. At the moment, the personal license is $27, it's $40 off. And then you can get the actual PLR license, which is $127, but it allows you to do many things with this particular document. So you can sell this and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. You can claim authorship and you don't have to give attribution to anybody else. You can add your own branding and colors and logos to the document. You'll get the source file so you can go ahead and change it. You can divide it up into the 20 different checklists, reformat them and sell them as your own. You can completely edit it and change anything that you want to. You can add audio and video, which I think is a very good idea for this. If you go ahead and split this into 20 different videos and use them on a membership site, for instance, this could be really powerful. And you can use these in any kind of workshops and webinars for yourself. Now, if you want more details on the types of things you can do with this, go ahead and click here to read the full PLR terms, and then it'll take you over and you can see that in a lot more depth. Now, as you can tell, I really like this product, and I actually have the PLR version, but either way, you're still getting a lot of great information here that you can use within your own business. Now, I'm going to actually put a bonus together for this particular product, and what I thought I'd do is I actually want to show you how you can automate your email campaign. Now, I jumped over to my bonus. Now, I show you click by click how to actually automate email campaigns. Now, you can do this in any type of autoresponder that allows automation, so you don't have to have the same autoresponder as me. This is more about thinking about the logic behind your automation, and also maybe how you can tag people within that automation so that you can segment them at a later basis. So it's very powerful. If you're doing any kind of email campaigns, you really want to learn how to automate them so you don't have to send out individual emails on a regular basis. So really cool. And this bonus you can get for getting any of those versions, as I said, and it will be delivered to you automatically once you purchase. Also on the bonus page, you'll find various ways to connect with me so that I can help you with all aspects of your email marketing campaigns to make sure they're as effective as possible. So guys, if you're looking to learn more about email marketing, I would definitely pick up Emailtivity. You can check it out in the link in the description below, or over on the right hand side of your screen here, there'll be a link there. Go and check it out. Check through the sales page, make sure you really understand all aspects of this product. Until next time guys, take care.